and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. So guys, today after school I'm going to my friend's house for a sleepover. I've already pre-recorded a video which is Siri picks my slime ingredients because it's something for you to watch because I will be at my friend's house so I won't be filming. And first of all I need to open my advent calendar. So guys, I'm going to start off with my accessories. So here's the accessories one. Sorry if my hair looks a bit bad, I just got help it. Now I'm looking for number 7, which is right here. Is it a little present? It's a little present charm. Okay, so now I'm going to open, I was going to say Vlogmas Day 7. It is. I'm going to open number 7 on here. Oh, this one's a big one. It's going to be like a notepad or like a tag that I got last year. Oh, I got a notebook last year. This year I get one too. All 3D stuff. And it just says Smiggle at the bottom. This is really cool. Today in this video I'm going to be doing Siri picks my mystery Christmas box slime challenge. And this is going to be a super fun video because I did do a video like this but with my mum and a mystery wheel. But this time I'm going to do it with the help of Siri. I have the boxes 1 to 12 and I'm going to be picking 8 boxes because if I pick all of them I'm going to get all the ingredients. So there'll be 4 that I haven't chose, so that's going to be really fun. But activator isn't included. Activator is going to be just at the end and not in a box. And I'm wearing the same thing as I did in my last video, which was the Who's That Girl video, because I think it looks super cute. And I'm wearing the same outfit, of course, because I just filmed that, but I really wanted to film a slime video, so this is what I'm doing. So let's ask Siri to pick a number between 1 and 8. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 8.
93.
93? Choose a number between 1 and 8.
That would be 6.
6. It's an elf. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Baby oil. I guess I'm getting a super soft slime because I've got baby oil. Okay, let's add this in. And I'm not allowed to mix till the end either. Okay, let's add a capful of this because I'm probably going to get a pretty big slime. Maybe add that much. That looks good. Pick a number between 1 and 8.
It's 8.
8. Okay. Here's 8. Dun-dun-dun. Let's see. Ooh! Foaming hand soap. Blue Poppy foaming hand wash. Because I got 8, let's do 8 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pick a number between 1 and 8.
The answer is 1.
1. This is a heavy one. I feel like there's more than one thing in there. Ooh! I've got some glitter paint, which is red, and then I've got Elmer's glitter glue, which is red. Ooh, I might be doing a red Christmassy slime. I thought I was going to be making a green Christmassy slime. I don't know why. Add about that much. Let's add the whole tube of this Elmer's glitter glue. Ooh, I've got some glue. Okay, that's all in there. That's looking pretty good. Okay, so now let's ask Siri again. Hopefully, I actually wanted him to pick number 12. I feel like that's lucky. Oh no. Okay guys, so basically I've been saying 8, and I got it messed up because I'm meant to be adding 8 ingredients. So now I need to start saying 1 and 12. Because else I'm never going to get 10, 11 and 12, am I? Pick a number between 1 and 12.
That would be 7.
7. Okay, 7's here. Ooh, this one's so heavy. Number 3 is heavy. Okay, so number 7. I feel like... What is it? No. I got 2 whole bottles of Hobbycraft clear glue. Oh, yes. Definitely going to be making a red clear slime. Whoa, yeah. Because the video that I did with my mum, I didn't get any glue till the end. Sorry, pick a number between 1 and 12.
The answer is 13.
13? Pick a number between 1 and 12.
The answer is 4.
4. Okay, let's open it. Ooh. This time, I got gold paint and I got Elmer's gold glitter glue. Let's add in the gold paint first. Pick a number between 1 and 12.
It's 3.
3. Yes, a heavy one. A really heavy one here. I'm going to let you guys see first. Oh my lord. A whole bottle of PVA school glue. White. I'm going to be making a massive slime. I've got 2 more rounds. Pick a number between 1 and 12.
It's 10.
10. Yeah. Okay. I'll let you guys see first. Ooh. Okay, this is like a trend here. Okay, we've got Elmer's green glitter glue and we've got shimmer paint, green shimmer paint. Okay, let's add the green shimmer paint in. That's enough. Let's add the glue. Okay, that's enough. This is the last one. I hope I get something good. Choose a number between 1 and 12.
It's 5.
Here's number 5. What is in that? Okay, number 5. That's definitely not shaving foam. Okay, I'll let you guys see first. Yes! Green pigment and white glitter. Ooh, yes. Add that whole thing. I feel like clay would have been one of the options. Okay, that's enough. Okay guys, now for the best part, mixing it. This is my slime, it looks super pretty. So now let's mix it up. Ooh, it's really big. Look at that glitter. Wow. Whoa, that's so pretty. Oh, the gold paint's coming through. Wow, this looks so pretty. That's definite Christmas colour. This is like how Mum's turned out, except for it wasn't fluffy. Now I'm going to add the activator, which I'm just going to use borax. Okay, let's mix this up. I wonder what texture this is going to be, because there's a lot of different paint and glitter glues in here. Let me take the spatula out. Da, 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 da. this is what the slime looks like. It looks super cool. It has a gold effect to it. So here it is. I'm gonna get it out. It's quite like thick, really thick. Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the video of the Siri picks my slime ingredients. These are the things I'm gonna be taking to my sleepover: the pajamas, stuff to wear, stuff like sprays, face things, and lip and that. The shout out for today goes to Connie and Beans, and they get a shout out because they put hashtag #Emmascore in the comments down below, and if you do that you might want to shout at the end of my next video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you like it. So guys, I'll see you all tomorrow, and good night. Love you all.